Corey Johnson, and today I'm super excited to be back, and I'll be doing for you a mint green cut crease. This is just a simple cut crease, but we're going to be using a mint green color because we want our eyes to pop, 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 pop. Thank you so much for tuning in, and let's just start, isn't it? What we're waiting for. So I'll be starting off with my brows using my Eversheen pencil. It's quite small. I'm going to do the first one on camera and then do the second one off camera. So I'm applying some concealer on my eyelids as well. So I'll be taking my Juvia's Place palette in Zulu, and I'll be using this yellow color for our first transition color. Next, I'll be using this brown color. It looks like it's orange, but it's brown. Back to our yellow, just to make the transition color more vibrant. Next, I'll be using this Morphe and Jacqueline Hill palette. It's the Armed and Gorgeous palette, so I'm using this brown color. I am applying it on the outer corner and then bringing it in. So I'm going to be cutting my crease with my Elegant concealer in Warm Honey. I'm using this brush from BH Cosmetics. So we'll be going to our mint green eyeshadow. So I'll be going back to the brown. I want to blend it into the mint green. So I'll be using my Sacha Butter for my brow bone. Then I'm using my LA Color eyeliner in black. Then I'm using my Maybelline foundation 355 Coconut. I'm using my Pond's Oil Control. Next, I'll be using my Black Opal foundation in Carob to contour my face. Then I'll be using my Marbrook pencil in black. Then I'm using my Marbrook mascara. I'm going to this yellow. So I'm using my Milani powder. And then next is my CoverGirl bronzer, almost finished. And then next is our highlighter by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I really love it, guys. And then next is our blush by Classic Makeup. So I'll be using my favorite pencil. It is Zaron Cosmetic Pencil in Cupertino. Then I'll be using this ColourPop Cosmetic lipstick in Tansy. And then to this BH Cosmetic lipstick that has a metallic sheen. And then setting my face with my Rimmel London in Fix and Go. Our makeup is done, but we need to fix our lashes. I like to use my fingers. So we have come to an end of this makeup look, and I really love how I look. This look is super gorgeous. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please feel free to subscribe and let me know what you want me to create next on the comments. Thank you so much. I really love my look. Bye.